This is a high-touch, high-impact way of learning, and that's hard to find today.
The student community is amazing. Students will come together in a cohort, especially if you are all in the same degree program and kind of progress together. You get to know your friends, and they're also classmates, so you can build your own learning communities.
When I think of Cornell, I describe it as a family. It's definitely a close-knit community, and there's a community feel here that I'm pretty sure you won't get anywhere else. I describe it as fast-paced, intense, given that we're on a block plan and we teach a class in 18 days. But I describe it as an atmosphere where you can learn and you can grow.
The block plan is class in 18 days. So every 18 days you're going to take one class and you're going to focus in. And then after those 18 days, you're going to get a small break, the block break, and then you're going to start a completely new class, and then you'll repeat that 8 times.
So it's helpful to have this okay, you're only focusing on this one topic, and then I feel like I can really dive into the topic and really get into the meat and bones of what we're learning about in class. And I also just love a small campus.
The sense of community that Mount Vernon has, that Cornell has, that they have together, even the community that Iowa has and the Midwest has, it's beautiful. People show up, they support each other, they go to events, and I didn't think that actually existed still. So Cornell's a little heaven where you just I don't know, get to be with people, they love you, you love them back, and I don't know, that surprised me because I didn't know that still existed.